Hi, I'm Mai, and today we're going to learn how to set up and update your default brand styles in Klaviyo. These styles, which include your company logo, colors, fonts, and more, will help you save time and maintain a consistent brand image across your email templates, email campaigns, and flow emails. In this video, you will learn how to upload your company logo, add your brand colors, set the default font for text, add any links you'd like to be included in your default header link bar, and add links to your social media accounts. First, navigate to the Images and Brand tab under Content in your Klaviyo account. Then click on Brand to access the brand library. We're going to start by uploading the company logo. In the Logo section under the Styles tab, click Replace to choose a new image. If you have never uploaded a logo before, you will see the option to upload an image. Here, you have the option to either choose an existing image from your image library or upload a new image. I'm going to upload my logo that is stored on my computer. To upload an image, you can either drag and drop the file into this gray area or click on Attach and search for your file. Once the upload is finished, you will see your company logo appear in the email preview. You can also resize or modify your image by clicking on Edit. Next, we're going to set the default brand colors. In the Colors section, you can set the default color for 4 types of elements: accent, body text, buttons, and links. I'm just going to change the color of my buttons for now, using my brand colors. To change the color of an element, you can either enter the hex code, enter the RGB values, or use the color picker. Once applied, you should see the change reflected in the email preview. Next, we're going to set the default font for all of our text within an email. In the Font section, click on the drop-down and choose your font of choice within the list of web-safe fonts. Keep in mind that custom fonts cannot be used as defaults for email templates. You should see the change reflected in the email preview. Next up, we're going to add links to our header link bar. The header link bar appears under the logo and acts as a shortcut for subscribers to navigate to the relevant parts of your website. Go to the Header Links tab and click on Add Link to add your first header link. Type in the text that should appear in the header link bar. I'm going to write Shop Now. And don't forget to add the relevant URL in the URL field. I'm going to paste the URL to my shop's catalog page. You should see your header link appear under the logo in the email preview. To add another link, click on the Add Link button and repeat these steps. I'm going to add a Contact Us link that redirects to my contact form. Finally, we're going to add links to our social media accounts. Any social media account that you add here will appear in your email's footer. Navigate to the Social Icons tab. You will see some default options already created in Klaviyo. Add the link to your social media account when relevant. I'm going to scroll down to the Instagram block and add the link to my Instagram profile. Once you add a URL, you should see a social icon appear in the footer in the email preview. You can change the social media icon that appears in the footer by clicking on the drop-down and choosing the platform of your choice. To add a new social link, click on Add Link, then choose the relevant platform in the drop-down and add the link to your social media profile. You can also delete a social link by clicking on the trash can icon. I'm going to delete the Facebook and Twitter links since I don't have a Facebook or Twitter account. Last but not least, make sure to click on Update Brand to save your changes. And that's it! You have successfully set up your default brand styles in Klaviyo. Once your updates are saved, any new basic email templates or flow emails you create will use these styles. Happy sending!